Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will continue with exercise 1.2 of real numbers and I will give you some tips and tricks of LCM. By applying those tips and tricks, you will solve your problems easily and quickly, and also by practicing those tips and tricks, you will achieve your target. So let's move towards the topic. Now we will start with question number 4 of exercise 1.2. So question number 4 is given that HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9. So you have to find out the LCM of 306 and 657. So HCF of 306 and 657. So here A is equal to 306 and B is equal to 657. These are the two numbers given, and HCF of this number is equal to HCF of A and B, that is equal to 9. Now you have to find out what is the LCM of A and B. So if the numbers are given, HCF is given, to find out the LCM we have one formula, that is LCM of the two given number A and B is equal to product of the numbers product of A and B. Here the numbers are A and B, so we will write product of A and B upon the HCF of A and B. So product of A and B here is equal to 306 multiply 657 divided by the HCF of the given number, that is equal to 9. So we can cancel the number. 9 1 ja 9 3 ja 27 and 36 9 4 ja 36. So the answer for this is equal to, so this is your LCM. So LCM of the given number 306 and 657 is equal to 22,338. This is your answer. Now I will give you some special tricks related to LCM of given numbers. So here trick number 4, we have already discussed about 3 tricks which were based on HCF. Now we will discuss about LCM. Now when we are finding out the LCM of 4 given numbers, we don't have to do the prime factorization, क्योंकि जब MCQ हम solve करेंगे हमारे पास इतना time नहीं होगा सबका find out करने के लिए. So first check the numbers. If any of this number is the factor of these given numbers, जितने भी नंबर है इनमें से कोई किसी का फैक्टर है या नहीं है. So 6 is a factor of 12 and 13 and 15 is also a factor of 30. So cancel 6 and 15. So the remaining number is 12 and 30. Out of these 12 and 30, find out the smallest number. Smallest number between these two is 12. Okay. Now, when you are getting 12 as the smallest number between these two, find out the highest factor of 12. So here the highest factor of 12 is 2 and 6. Now, when we will check the highest factor, so highest factor here is 6, which can divide 12 and 30. So here when we will find out the LCM, then 6 can divide 12 and 30. So you have to cancel 6. So the remaining number is 2. So this remaining number 2 will be multiplied with this. So your LCM is 30 into 2, that is equal to 60. So your answer is 60. Okay. In the same way, when we will find out the LCM of these 3 numbers, so first find out which are the factors of any other number. So from 8, 24 and 36, 8 is a factor of 24. Now out of these two numbers, find out the smallest number. So smallest number here is 24. Now find out the highest factor of these 24. So highest factor is equal to 2 into 12. Now 12 divides 24 and 36. So cancel this one. The remaining number is 2. So your answer is 36 into 2, is equal to 72. So 72 is your LCM. Okay. Here 60 is your LCM. In the same way, find out in this 6 is a factor of 18, 17 is a factor of 34. Okay. Remaining number is 18 and 34. So smallest number here is 18. Now find out the highest factor of 18. Highest factor of 18 is equal to 2 and 9. So 9 will not divide 34, but it will divide 18. But 2 will divide both the number 18 and 34. So we will cancel 2. So the remaining number is 34 and 9. So LCM is equal to 34 into 9. So you will get 306. So LCM is 306 of 6, 18, 17 and 34. In the same way, if we will check these numbers, in these numbers 6 is a factor of 24, 5 is a factor of 40. Now from these three numbers 24, 40 and 17, you have to find out the smallest number. So when you will find out the smallest number out of these three, so that is 17. But because 17 is a prime number, so we will not consider this because it has only 1 and 17 as its factor. So the next smallest number is 24. Now find out the highest factor of 24. That is 2 into 12. If we will take 2 and 12, 2 will divide 24 and 40. But 12 will not divide 40, but it will divide 24. So we will cancel 2. So the remaining numbers are LCM is equal to 12 into 40 into 17. So your answer is 2040. Okay. So use this trick to find out all the MCQ questions. So you will solve your question easily and quickly. Now we will solve question number 5 of exercise 1.2. Question number 5 is check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So let's find out whether the power of n of 6, whether it ends with 0 or not. So first of all, let n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. So if we will take n is equal to 1, then what is the value of 6 to the power n? 6 to the power n is equal to 6 to the power 1, that is equal to 6. If we will take 6 to the power 2, that is equal to 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. If we will take 6 to the power 3, then 6 into 6 into 6, so that is equal to 216. So if we will check these numbers, then you will find that the number is 6. Again the last number here is 6, and here also the last number is 6. It means whenever we will take any value for n, you will get the last digit as 6. It means the number which has 6 to the power n will not end with 0. Okay. And this can also be written as, if you will split this number, this can be written as 2 into 3. This can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It means 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. This can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. It means if the numbers or the factors are 2 and 3, we will always get the last digit as 6. Okay. So now we have to find out which number we will take so that the last digit will be 0. Okay. Let's take some 0 numbers. So suppose one number we have taken, that is 10. So when we will multiply or find out the factor of 10, then we will get 2 and 5. Okay. Another 0 number, the number which ends with 0, suppose we will take 40. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So that is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5, or you can say 5 to the power 1. Okay, suppose we will take 100. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. It means 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power also 2. It means any number which ends with 0, it has the factor 2 and 5. Here also 2 and 5, and here also 2 and 5. And when we will split the number 6 to the power n, if we will write, and we will factorize this number, then we will get 2 into 3 whole to the power n, that is equal to 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n. It means here in this question 5 is missing. So if in the factor 5 is missing, then you will not get a number which ends with 0. Means in the factor there must be 2 and 5 to get a number which ends with 0. So whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number? No. 6 can't be ends with 6 to the power n can't be ends with 0 because it has 5 missing in its factor. अगर आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, क्योंकि मेरे सारे वीडियो में आपको न्यू टिप्स और ट्रिक्स मिलते रहेंगे और आप उसको यूज करके इजीली सारा प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.